Know that Thrive has been for the last 8 years at the forefront of women to women mentoring. And that is where from our community, this whole idea came that we need to create experiences. We need to create a space where women can feel that positive energy and can feel really that vibe that you get by having a group of very powerful women in the room. And I think that is what we are achieving. The energy has, really made me feel as if this is what I can do. I can actually, develop in so many different ways. It's not just cognitive, which I think a lot of us do, but emotionally by feeling that connection to another woman who's also there with us. And then physically and spiritually, we've had movement. We've had so many amazing workshops that we have planned, and we're really looking forward to make this a remarkable day to remember.
What was your favorite talk?
Oh, it's so hard. There's so many great ones, but I actually really loved Sally's talk. She was so personable, and the way she talks about menopause and perimenopause in a way that's just so accessible. I really loved her speech.
Been absolutely amazing today. Every single topic was igniting, inspirational, and we have had such amazing response from all the participants. I'm actually rushing back now into another workshop with Inna on how to discover your purpose and bring impact.
I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
So far has been incredible. Amazing speakers, so much wonderful information, truly transformational. I'm going to walk away with some powerful, powerful things to institute in my own life and really make a difference. I'm so glad that I came.
Hello everyone, and welcome from the beautiful Basel office here in Syngenta. It's a beautiful weather and a wonderful conference. I've been here since the very early in the morning, and I'm quite enjoying the depth and the breadth of different topics, from AI to coaching, to how AI is disrupting completely the way we mentor, the way we relate to each other, to some sensitive topics around female health, and also the topic of female tech. So I would say that the depth of the experiences and the depth and the breadth of the speakers and what they bring to the table is fantastic. It's my first conference here, and it's not even a year that I've been with Thrive. But what I can say is that I'm really enjoying it, and I'm glad I made this choice to come here and to meet the beautiful women and to be part of the Thrive. Thank you.
Hi, I'm having an absolutely fantastic time at the Thrive conference today. Meeting so many amazing women. It's just been so incredibly inspiring, and just believe.
It's been wonderful, absolutely wonderful. The women that are in the room are fantastic, super great energy, and also the organization and the content of this conference has been incredible. So everybody should be coming next time.